Hey, Rebecca looks gorgeous, and Rebecca looks gorgeous in what we're calling the green combo.
It is great.
And first of all, she's got two pieces of what will be a three-piece outfit. So she has on the Belle body. When you see Belle body, I want you to think Belle athleisure in an amazing way for every single body, shape, style, you know what I'm saying. This is the Water Paisley athletic jersey full zip jacket. So it's a full zip jacket that you're getting, $6 off the regular price. It's a first look, AKA designer drop. You're the first to see it. You're the first to get first crack at the colors, the sizes. You can see Rebecca showing you all the stretch. And by the way, if you're loving her tank as well, that's that muscle tank, and that's available too.
It's so good. It goes right back to it.
If you get the jacket in the tank, that's a $20 easy pay. If you get the jacket, the tank, and the bottoms, by the way, where's our bottom? Right, it's about an easy pay of about $31. So I just want you to know, we're gonna present all three, but if you want the full look, it's an easy pay of about $31. But we're starting with the jacket, just giving you a heads up. So here are the colors in the jacket, and then I would love to have Kim talk to us about this Paisley. Here's the blue combo.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Sizes are gonna be through 5X. And the information for the tank is on your screen. And here it is. Ask your order operator about it as you're purchasing. Here is the green combo. This is what Rebecca has on. Yeah, super pretty.
Amy's over there smiling.
Green, watermelon, a little bit of orange, a little bit of lemon in there as well.
Look at
the dyed to match zippers and the pull tabs.
It's a different kind of zipper. It's
super pretty. Again, going back to that.
You.
And then here's me. This is going to be your pink combo. Again, with pink and the orange, a light blue, a little bit of an ocean blue and purple in there. The pink zipper. Hello, I'm just in love with it. And then this is what we're calling sage.
Sage. So it's like a green tea sage, but a lot of purple, even some grays.
Look at the sage. Look at the sage. I think that's inspired with the green and purple.
It's
really
very
sophisticated.
elevated.
Yes. Color combination. So there it is, and we call that sage. This one's the pink. Here's your green, and here's the blue that Kim has on. But I'd love for you to talk to us, because it's watercolor Paisley, like the entire story is this print. Tell us about do you want to do fabric first and then
Let's
print?
do fabric first because it is brushed poly.
Okay.
So it has been brushed, so it's super, super soft with 12% spandex.
Wow.
Okay?
This isn't my size.
Normally,
too
we'll
small.
put it on anyway because you can, because it's got 12% spandex.
Yeah, you're right.
So when I say 12% spandex, I mean it has got stretch upon stretch upon stretch upon stretch, but it doesn't stretch out. When it is coupled with that poly, oh, that looks good, girl.
Oh my God, stop, look, and listen. We are the Mighty Panthers.
Right?
Yeah, it's cute.
It is,
and it's not my size, P.S. And by the way,
but
it's
it doesn't
a
matter.
double extra small.
Right, so you would be wearing the small.
Small, I would be wearing the small.
When I tell you, but look how, I mean, it even looks good on you. That is that 12% stretch. It is a performance fabric. So the poly is brushed, Rach.
Yeah.
So when I say brushed, meaning it's silky smooth, so soft, but the 12% stretch is giving you that athleisure moment. Maybe you're walking the dogs. Maybe you said, you know, this year, 2025, we're only a few weeks into it. We're gonna start exercising.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start back because I've gained 10 pounds. And I'm saying to myself, Amy said, start small, start small.
Of course. You know what, you just started living your life. We all we get all stringent and specific and we're like, we're losing weight, we're losing weight.
I'm losing weight though, I'm doing it.
And then we're like, I'm tired.
Now after tonight, because I think we're gonna go get something to eat, have us some little pigs in a blanket or something.
Absolutely.
But after that, we're gonna start tomorrow.
Okay, great. That sounds good. I like both of these pieces. You know, the athleisure moment, right, is really about, you look like you're working out even though you might not work out at all, which is fantastic.
But this is what we wear every day.
This is what we're wearing every day. So you're looking for a tank, you're looking for a little jacket that's by the door that you grab when you're running your errands, you're going out to the grocery store, you're going to get your nails done, you know, you're going to I walk the dog twice a day, you're going to the library, to the doctor's office, you know, watching one of the other son play tennis, or both of them play each other.
This is such a tennis outfit.
Right, exactly. Like this is country club, hanging out on a Sunday morning brunch, meeting the girls, ladies who lunch, or it's, you know, it's at, you know, like I said, it's at the club, or it's, you know, at a little resort. This is super easy. And let's talk about the fit. We're looking at it on Rebecca. She's got on the green and the pink, which is so cute. It's 88% poly, 12% span. I do want you to know it's a smile bottom, so the length is going to be 25.5 inches to 31.5 inches. Tell us about Belle Body. Like, why did you make Belle Body?
Because I live in it. I live in this brush poly span moment. Amy, what do I wear every single day? My yoga pants.
Yep, yoga.
My crop yoga pants. And this, I mean, I wore them into QVC.
Right.
They're cropped and it's cold outside. and a pair of tennis shoes.
Yes.
And a tank and a jacket over it, or some kind of layering piece. And I run around town because I know I don't work out like I should, but I am so active. I'm going to the grocery store. I'm taking calls. I'm doing podcasts. I'm picking up the kids. My son goes to school an hour away. We have to go pick him up, bring him home.
Yeah.
We're fighting about algebra.
Excellent. A squared plus B squared plus equals C squared.
It equals
Something.
who cares? Okay?
Right.
Who cares? Figure it out and do it, because Kim cannot help you. Mom cannot help you. But we're so active.
Yeah.
And so active wear has now become everyday wear.
It has. That's it. And again, so the colors look like this. There's the blue combo on Kim. There's the green combo right here. There is also the sage combo that's gorgeous, right? This beautiful paisley print that's like a watercolor. It's so beautifully done. And then I have on the pink combo. 5 easy payments of $13. Put this in your cart and check out. Add it to the tank that I think we're spending a little time on the tank.
The tank
is
tanks
very
have been our
popular
friends today.
Close to 1,000 of these have been snapped up. You know what, honestly, that little sweater that we had, we could put it with these